Happy July. We are so excited to go over our product promotions with doTERRA with you today. And we're going to dive in and give you some suggestions on how to use each of the products and how to take advantage of all of the good specials and promos and freebies. All right, let's start off with our free product of the month. Now, product of the month goes hand in hand with a loyalty rewards program. That's an optional program where you get to put what you want in your shopping cart and save it, and it goes out on a certain date. And you have the option of putting how much you want and how little you want. But in the case of earning this free product of the month, you have to do an order of 125 PV, the point value, or more before the 15th of the month. And when you do that, doTERRA likes to thank their customers by giving you a free product. And this month it's going to be sweet fennel. So fennel is a native to the Mediterranean, and there's a lot of historical uses for that. In particular, it was one of the oils that they used in Roman warriors when they were going off to battle to help strengthen them, so that they were ready to go forth and fight for their lives and for their country. Excuse me. Let's give you some interesting facts about sweet fennel. It actually takes 0.7 pounds of plant material to produce a 15 ml of fennel. And there's 161 published studies of fennel. Now, fennel is also well known for its digestive benefits, and it's great in promoting a healthy digestion system. Many of the oils have unique smells, and fennel is no exception to this one. It's a very sweet smell that often is associated with licorice. So it smells like that licorice smell. But it's going to have some benefits for your metabolical, your immune system, your circulatory system, and also your respiratory system. Now, it works well with oils like lime and clove, ginger, the digestive blend. And you can see on the screen, we've got definitely some ways that you can use sweet fennel. There are lots of articles that doTERRA has already that you can look at. So you can look at the blog, doTERRA's blog, for fennel and oil uses and benefits. They've got fennel oil and healthy inflammation response, fennel oil and curcumin extract for bowel regularity. They also have an article called Using the Spice Oils with Cooking with Oils. And you also have an article, Raw Vegan Veggie Dip. Fennel is also found in the digestive products as well as Clary Calm. So if you do not have fennel, this is a great way to get it for free by doing a 125 PV order before the 15th of the month. So just press that process now button if it's scheduled for later on, but you're definitely going to want to have this for when things arise and help. All right, let's move on to our 10% off product of the month. doTERRA is, that's 10% off of your membership prices if you've got a wholesale account. And that is just an amazing benefit. Ginger is the most widely cultivated spice, and it's been used for over 5,000 years. So it's very well known. We source our ginger from Kenya, Madagascar, and Indonesia. And I was able to actually plant some ginger root in Jamaica on a Healing Hands trip. So I know that it grows really, really well, but we want to find where it thrives and where the chemical makeup produces that desired chemical result and constituents in the oil for that desired health benefit. So this does come from the root of the ginger plant, and it's going to take about 1 pound of that root plant material to make a 15 ml bottle of ginger. There's over 177 different studies that have been published about the benefit of ginger. And let's see, it works really well with oils like vetiver and fennel, digestion, cinnamon, and lemon. And some of the primary constituents in there is called a zingiberine, I think is how you spell it, or say it. It's spelled Zingiberene. And that's actually heavily been researched about its ability to reduce bloating. So when we think of ginger, ginger is wonderful in supporting our digestion systems. And so anything it has something to do with that, whether it's nausea, occasional indigestion, those kind of things, ginger is going to be great on there. Now you can find more information on doTERRA's blogs in articles like lemon ginger throat drops, the ginger oil uses and benefits, and in the recipe ginger pancakes. Ginger is also found in a lot of doTERRA's products. The Cheer Uplifting Blend, the Digestive Blend, Slim and Sassy, the Brightening Gel, the Deep Blue Polyphenol Complex, the Terrazyme, the Digestive Tab, the Alpha CRS, the Microplex VMZ, the V Omega, and the Z Omega. So it is great. It is one of those oils that's going to help calm your digestive system. It's definitely a great way to use all three ways: aromatic, topical, and internal. On the screen, you'll see 10 different ways that you can use ginger, real practical applications, so that you can not only save with this oil, but then you can start using that oil right away. All right, the last thing we're going to talk about is the summer cashback promotion that we have for people just getting started with doTERRA. So every couple months, doTERRA throws out an extra incentive to get involved and get your membership account set up. So this is how it works. You enroll in July with $150 order or more. Okay, so it's not based on PV this time. It is based on the dollar amount that you're ordering it. When you do that, you are going to receive $50 in doTERRA dollars, which are kind of like product credits, in August. So you get $50 worth of product credits to redeem. You can actually turn that in and use it towards product in August. So you get $200 worth of product for paying $150. And so it's a great way to be able to maximize what you can do, especially if finances are a little strapped. So here are some of your options. So option one, you can actually choose one of these member kits. So in addition to getting all your oils bundled up, you're actually going to get your membership included. It's waived. It's not, you don't have to pay extra for that. And you actually purchase below wholesale, because if you add all the things that are in the kit, it's actually going to be more than what you're paying. So they're going to bundle it and save you and give you your membership. So option one is probably the smartest way to get started with doTERRA. But you choose your kit. So I have 3 kits on the screen. We have the Healthy Essentials, which is $249. We have the Healthy Start, which is $160. And then we also have the Healthy Habits, $195. So if you want to try out the vitamins, which is our #1 selling product, consider getting the Healthy Habits. You get a little bit of everything in all different areas of your life to get started with that. It does not come with the diffusers. The diffusers come with the other 2 kits. So to kind of see which ones you would like to get started. So that's option one. Option two, you can actually design your own order. So do $35 membership fee, and then you're going to do $115 more in product to get you the $150 value. Buy what you need on that, and then you will receive that gift of $50 doTERRA dollars, or product credits that we call them, to spend after August 4th. So if you have any questions about how this works, please let me know. If you've got friends and family that maybe have been buying off of your account and you've been sharing your membership, let's give the gift of wellness and get them started so they can get free product credits, free product, right? And get started with their own wellness advocate account. Now, what can you expect from me as you partner with me or another wellness advocate who shared this video with you? You're going to get a welcome packet from us. You're going to get a personal consultation where we're going to help you learn how to use your product and give you a 30, 60, and 90-day plan for you, so that you know specifically how to use what you've been given. Also to know what kind of reference materials where do I find answers? Like if I'm dealing with this, or I have this oil, how do I know how to use it? we are going to guide you in where to look for that. You also have access to our VIP education group that we also have on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube, and you'll have an opportunity to learn a lot more through those. It's a great community. We'll give lots of giveaways through that, and you'll continue to get ongoing support with our wellness series that is run every week as you learn the different avenues and the different ways that oils will work for you. I am super excited for July. If you have any questions about the promos, feel free to reach out to me. As always, keep looking at every week. We're going to have a video here on my YouTube channel. You can definitely subscribe and get alerts by hitting the bell, and that way you don't miss anything. So have a fabulous month, and hopefully the second half of 2020 will be much better than the first. Take care.